Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, like you guys all saw, we are going to be installing an MPERFORMANCE shifter on my 1998 BMW E36. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so the old shifter on the E36 was absolutely finished. And when I say finished, I mean it. Let me show this to you guys. So this is the old shifter on the E36. I'm gonna push the car forward just so you guys can see a little bit better with the sun, but you guys can probably tell the sides are all used up. There's some marks all over it, and the top of it with the M kind of banner, the tricolor banner, is all old, used up, and we don't want that anymore. What we want is we want a brand new one that looks good and that will feel better. So what I went ahead is I believe I got an OEM shifter for an E36 M3. I'm gonna try to get it out the bag and show it to you guys, but right now it's in the bag. So these are weighted shifters, so when you put it in your hand, you could feel that it's not very much. It's probably like half a pound or a pound, but it should make a difference. From what the internet says, it says that it feels way better in the hand. I don't know if the shifter that's on the car right now is the OEM one. Might be with how used up it is. I'm probably gonna keep it because those can probably go still for a lot of money since they're OEM shifters. But what we'll do is we'll push the E36 a little bit forward here so we have some nice sun to work on. I'll throw you guys onto the tripod and then we'll get to work. It's a pretty easy install and should change the interior pretty well. So I didn't want to actually start the E36 because I'm literally moving it like 3 meters in front, so we're gonna push the car together. I'm actually gonna push the car myself, but you guys get the point. So just throw it into neutral, which I need to press the clutch down, and then I guess we push, right? Should be pretty easy. This is a pretty light car, and I should probably get in it before it goes too far. I think we did it. I think we should be able to see a little bit better now, guys. So what we'll do is, I don't know if you guys can see me properly. Camera looks angled down a bit. I'll throw you guys outside. I'll show you what the new shifter looks like. Let me get it out the bag here. Let's see, so I could show you guys properly. I don't think you guys will see much here. There's no sun out today. It's a very, very weird day. Let me throw this up a little bit for you guys. So here is the new shifter. I don't know, I'll move away so you guys can see it properly. Please focus. Please, shifter. Okay, thank you. So it is, I don't know if this is an OEM. Looks pretty good. Even has the little ring at the bottom with the, I don't know what this is, but anyways, it looks very, very good. 5-speed with the backup. I believe, like I said, this is from an E46 M3. These are not the E36 shifters. The E36 shifters have little lines. Why is it always focusing and zooming out? They all have lines at the top right here. But anyways, this is where we're going to be installing into the E36 today. To remove the old shifter, I'll bring you guys along and show you. It's supposed to be easy. If this is the OEM shifter that's 24 years old, it's not going to be easy. I hope it's going to be easy, but it's probably not going to be easy. How many times have I said easy? Way too many times. Let's go and do that. Okay guys, so hopefully you all can see good. You guys are outside of the car onto the tripod. Yeah. Is the car gonna move forward? Yes, okay. So let's pull the handbrake properly so the car doesn't move forward. Yeah, there's one way of doing it, and it's getting your face out of the way and just pulling as hard as you can. Is my door open? Oh, yes, my door was open. So you have to pull as hard as you can and not hit yourself in the face, which I hope I won't do. If I do end up hitting myself in the face, getting a concussion, going to the hospital and dying, I would like Mike to receive all of my cars. So this is actually on video, which probably wouldn't be on video because I wouldn't be alive to stop the video. Anyways, I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry today. So pull as hard as you can. I'll have you guys on. Hey, I did it! That wasn't that hard, actually. Huh. Interesting. You guys can see how old this shifter is. Just look how disgusting this is. I hope the camera's gonna focus on this and not on me. because it's on facial recognition. But anyways, this is what the old shifter looks like. And we actually did that first try, boys. I'm kind of surprised, not gonna lie. And yeah, just a comparison as well, guys. There is a height difference in between both of them. Actually, what I'll do is I'll come on the other side and show you. I'll be right back, guys. So as you guys can see, hopefully the camera focuses, the size of the shifter, it's actually smaller on the left-hand side. This is the original shifter that was in there, and you guys can see the height difference. So this is gonna give me a short shifter feel, since we're losing about, what, 1.5 inches, 2 inches in length. The shifter is actually smaller as well, which should, I don't know, we'll see. It gives a nicer touch, and it does look a little bit better. Can you focus, please? So here we go. Let's go back on the other side and install it, and hopefully it all works out. Kind of looking inside of here, guys, because I was worried that it wasn't gonna go in properly, but I guess you just send it like that. What they said is you align it and then you give it a little, I guess okay, so it's a little angle to this side, which means I should have it like this, I think. There's definitely a way. Could it be that it doesn't reach all the way in the back? I know there's a way. When there's a will, there's a way. This goes at the bottom here. And then this should go just like that, right? Let me try to get on top and push on it a little bit. It is a little bit hard when I don't know if I'm stupid, ignorant, or I think it goes a little bit sideways like this. Something I'm not doing right. It's definitely supposed to go in, which... Okay, let's try to put the old one back on to see if it's fitment issue. I sure hope it's not. So the old one goes in properly. See, you hear a click, which comes out actually really nice. And what's the difference? Is this different on the inside? This doesn't look like the same clip. I feel like either I have to push really hard, because I could feel it right here. Let's try without this first. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this is how, it's a little bit crooked. I don't think this is an OEM. The guy probably lied to me on eBay. This looks aftermarket, honestly. It does look aftermarket. The way it's supposed to go in and it doesn't. I know for a damn fact there's no way I have to push down that hard. Let's try again. Let's try with all my might, all my will. Push down on this. I don't want to push too hard to break, I feel like I'm gonna break something. I mean, there's definitely this part, which should be the male part inside, is there. Imagine I put it backwards. Now the question is, why is it not going in? Okay. It is not going in. I'll try to figure that out, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. I mean, I still have the old one to put back on there if there's something, but I just really don't understand why it's not. It's just not clipping in. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I've tried to do it. I don't know why it's not going in. There's definitely something wrong with the inside of this, where I don't know if you guys can see, there's like, let's see if I can get it to focus. See, there's like a little pin on the inside, and on the old shifter you guys probably won't see because it's all black inside and it's hard to see, but the pin is different on the OEM shifter and the, I guess this is aftermarket, this is not original. I'll try again to see if I can get it to fit inside. I don't know how. I just feel like the way that it's made, that it's shorter, it doesn't reach to the end. That's what I feel like. I feel like it's just inside isn't well made enough, but I'll try to do it, and this might just well be a fail, and I'll have to return this to the seller and tell him that he lied. This is not OEM. It is definitely not OEM. The more I touch it, guys, like I don't know if you guys could see this, but the leather is not well put on there, and the logo is nice and everything in the middle, but I don't feel like this is OEM. It feels off. So let's see what happens. Alrighty guys, so there's definitely something wrong with it. I've tried many and many times and it hasn't gone in properly, so back in the bag, and if I am able to install it, I will keep trying for a couple of times. I'll try to put some lube on it and things like that to see if it wants to slide in, and maybe it's the pins that are not, who knows. But there's no mark on the inside showing where the pin is, so it's like if it doesn't reach the point where it's supposed to. So I'll show you guys the result if there is one in a couple of minutes when I try it, but if not, hopefully I do find a way to put it back on. But anyways, if not, hopefully you guys enjoyed this fail of a video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage, where we usually successfully install things, but this time we didn't. Or maybe we will. We'll see after. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.